Hello my people, welcome again to Glatory channel. If today is your first time coming by my channel, you are highly welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I made this Nigerian delicious meat pie. Please watch to the end because it's a very detailed video. Here I'm using my 2 kg all-purpose flour. I added my salt to taste, and my baking powder and the nutmeg. I'll be putting a whole detail about the ingredients that I use on the description section of my video. Here I'm combining all together, mixing them. I'll be adding my 500 grams of homemade butter. If you want to know how I made this butter, I'm gonna add the link on the description so that you can watch the video and see how I always make my homemade butter. So I'll be mixing it together with the flour. I discover my bowl is too small for this mixture, so I transfer it to my working table. You can see it makes the mixing so easy and faster. I use water, so feel free to use water or milk, but I prefer to use water to combine them into a dough. Just add as much as you needed. Just add little by little so that you'll be able to dictate if you still need more. You can see my dough is already forming. Here I'll be covering it to rest for a few minutes. Then I will work on the thing that I have to put inside the meat pie. Here I added my onion and my minced meat. This is beef. And my paprika, thyme, black pepper. So all these ingredients you just add according to your taste. It must not be the same. You can add the condiment that you needed. You can see. Now I'm adding my potato. And I'll add water to let it simmer. And I add my mixed vegetable. See, it's done. Now I'll be working on my dough. Remember, if today is your first time coming by my channel, please subscribe, like my video and share my video, and always comment. Always like it, because the more you like my video, the more YouTube will introduce my video to other people. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe. Here I'm already milling my dough to form the meat pie. You can see I use water to put on the edge so that it's easier to seal up. You can see it very well. This cutting edge and the way I do my cutting, you can choose your own style, but I think this works better for me. I use water to brush on the edge so that it can seal very well. You can see I made like 3 trays of meat pie. Now I'm brushing it with the egg water to make it shiny, and I will bake it for 45 minutes on a 150 degrees Celsius heat. Wow, my meat pie is done. Remember, if you have watched me this far, remember to subscribe, like my channel, always comment and share. Thank you for watching my video and see you on my next video. Bye.